Hey everyone, it's Amanda from Entrepreneur Expat, and I've got some exciting news. I'm coming at you today from our brand new office space in the Lake Chapala area. Yes, we went from being completely online and helping hundreds of people move abroad remotely to now having a physical office space so we can help you guys in person in one of the hottest expat spots in Mexico, and I'll be giving you guys a little bit of a tour today. But before I do that, if you're interested in moving to Mexico, if you're interested in Lake Chapala, if you're interested in Guadalajara, if you're interested in residency, making money online, all those really fun things, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video that we have coming out on this channel. Now that we're gonna have studio space, we'll be back to our regular schedule where we were getting a lot of content out for you guys. And in addition to that, I got two free resources for you. The first is our Moving to Mexico guide for those of you who are specifically considering Mexico. You can find that for free below. And the other one is our Moving Abroad checklist. So regardless of where you want to go, if it's Mexico or somewhere else, you can use that checklist as well. So with that being said, let's get into it. So first, to show you guys exactly where we're at, this is the main highway that goes from Jocotepec, which a lot more expats are interested in Jocotepec. There's some good real estate deals over there, all the way to Chapala, and the lake is right there. I don't know if you can see the mountains behind me, but the lake is literally right over those houses over there. So we are on the main highway, closer to Jocotepec. A lot of people have asked us why we're into Jocotepec, why aren't we in Ajijic, why aren't we in Chapala? We're not far, so we're in Ajijic and Chapala all the time, and a lot of the expansion is moving west toward Joco. I swear every time we're out in Jocotepec, we see more and more Americans and Canadians because they're starting to discover it, and there's better real estate deals over here, for being honest. Let's be real. Okay, so here, this is our next door neighbor. That's the Go Market or Goo Market. They will do deliveries from Costco, from Sam's Club. So they're our next door neighbors. We were actually just helping them with some translations yesterday, and then those people hopped on over to our office because they needed some real estate help. And then we also have a bazaar here, and we have one of our favorite coffee shops in the area, Coli's Cafe. So we're literally in the exact same plaza on the main highway in this area. We'll have signs up soon, so you won't be able to miss us, but just to give you an idea of where we are now. Okay, so now you're gonna get a grand tour. It's really messy. We just got the furniture yesterday. We were all in here cleaning yesterday, but hey, this is real life. You're seeing it in progress. We are gonna have an event soon once everything's nice and set up, but I'll give you a tour. So this is like the main, well, that's a table where we sit outside when we want some sunshine, but this is the main desk over here. You'll see Justin in a second. We'll have a real estate agent or myself over here, and then on the walls, we're gonna have pictures of all the amazing emails that we get from the community, of all the people that we've met on this journey. All you guys are gonna be on the wall because we want this to be a community space. And then over here we have Justin. What are you working on?
Hello. We're setting up a new CRM so that we can manage all of the leads of people coming into the office and contacting us and everything else. So we're getting a little bit more organized to get better at following up with you guys and also welcoming you into this space.
All right, yeah, because we're getting, I mean, we've had a bunch of walk-ins already and the office isn't even ready yet. People want us to rent out their properties on Airbnb. We recently got one of our clients in the top 5% in the area in just a couple weeks. So we're gonna be expanding that. And then of course we have people finding us on YouTube, they're finding us on Instagram. So we need ways of organizing everybody. And then we have a database of real estate agents, of attorneys, of immigration facilitators. This is your one-stop shop, everyone. That is the goal here, and to make it a community space. And speaking of community space, we just got this yesterday. So this is the idea here is that this is where we are going to be filming more videos for you guys. And then there's a lot of the camera equipment so you guys see it. And just have like a space where we just come and we just knock it out and we get it done. That's our poof for when we want to relax. The other idea that we have for this space, obviously, like I said, we're not done yet here, but you're starting to see it come together in process, is over in this area, we'll have presentations or classes either on moving to Mexico, living in Mexico, real estate in the area, insurance, how all that stuff works, all the questions that you guys ask us all the time. We'll be doing more in-person events over in this area. So the idea is that the presenter is here, and then we have a seating area over here, and then obviously we will have a lot more chairs and things like that. And then we're still setting up this kitchen area with coffee, tea. We've got a fridge and storage and a heat that we got to go get. We got a microwave on the way, but we really wanted this to be a community space. We've been running online businesses for 15 years, and while that is amazing, after the C word, if you know what I mean, the panini, as people called it, we thought it was important to start doing things kind of in person again. And really the visionary behind this is Justin. So what was the idea behind the community space?
Well, the idea is really just to bring people together in person. I think you showed them kind of the filming area and the couches and the space and everything. We're going to be able to like bring clients in and have coffee and tea and talk about what they're trying to do in Mexico and what they're looking for in terms of real estate and property management and all this other stuff. But I'm just really excited. I mean, we've had probably 15 or 20 people just in the last week from kind of foot traffic in the area already come and walk into the office.
Watching us clean and trying to figure out what's going on.
But it's really great to just meet fellow expats in the area. It's really cool to bring people together as a community. I think that one of the most challenging things really that we ourselves have encountered as expats is like being able to just have, you know, groups of cool people in person and meet people that are doing similar things to you, and a lot of them also are interested in making more money online and perhaps expanding their footprint, expanding what they're doing. So we're going to do classes on marketing and sales and business and how to make money through real estate. And we're going to have some agents working here as well to help us with our clients that are looking at buying and selling property.
So it's kind of like would you say it's like a one-stop shop for all the questions we've been getting in the last 2 or 3 years?
Exactly, yeah, and a place for us to have a comfy set that's kind of outside of our house, so that we've got a nice set so that we can actually interview people as well. We're going to be doing interviews with people in our community here and talking about their stories and sharing their story. And I think a lot of it is really, you know, for us to just have more people in our community and to make more friends and to help more and to give back to the local community. We're going to be doing like charity events and things like that as well, to give back to the community here, and also connecting with more expats and helping them connect with each other. That's been something that I've been looking to do in a bigger way for a really long time. So I'm really excited about that.
That's exciting. Yeah. All right, so that was a quick tour of the office. Like I said, it's still in process. Those are all Amazon packages that need to go back while we sort all of this stuff out over here. You can visit us in person if you want to already, even though the office isn't totally ready yet. But hey, it's a work in progress. People have already been coming to say hello, and it's been really fun getting to know other people in the area. And like Justin said, once we're more settled, then we'll start doing events and all those kinds of things for the Lake Chapala area for Mexicans and foreigners alike. And again, just answering all the questions we've been getting for the last like 2 or 3 years. One thing you guys tell us all the time is you go online and there's so much conflicting information, and we totally get it, which is I think another part of the reason why we were like, hey, let's do stuff like in person. Let's actually meet people. Let's shake hands. Let's like hug subscribers that like see us on the street sometimes and recognize us in Lake Chapala. So with that being said, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being a best part of this community. We are now bringing it to you in real life, not just on your screen. And we're very excited to see where this journey takes us.